we are having die cavity, and here we are having this is the C positioning. When we'll learn, when you'll see the in the textbook, when you'll refer Lackman and all those things, they have given the areas A, B, C, D, like E, F, G and all those things. I'm not uttering right now because I want that student should refer book, and they'll in the tutorial class they'll have to tell me the positioning, what they have understand. So here we have lower cam track. Okay, so when the die cavity comes over below this hopper, we are having material in this hopper. Material is continuously falling from the hopper, and it has to feel the what. As soon as your lower punch comes over here, that due to the cam track, okay, that is called as what, lower cam track. Okay, so lower cam track, due to the lower cam track, your lower punch will what, that will move down and it will create a cavity over here, and that cavity would be filled with and see, now when the cavity, when the filling time is going on, when the filling of cavity is going on, at that time you can see the positioning नहीं दिखेगा उधर से. When the at the filling time, what happened, you can see the positioning of upper punch. Upper punch is what, it will be fixed, means it will not move down. But what about the lower punch? Lower punch has to be moved down. Once it is moved down, then creation of cavity would take place. Whatever you have set already before your running of your machine. Okay, so here with the help of cam track, what will happen, pull down cam track, that is called as number C is given in the textbook or whichever book you will refer. So that is called as what, pull down cam track. So with the help of pull down cam track, your lower punch will what, that will move down, and creation of what, your cavity would take place. Now at the time of filling, your upper punch should be what, fixed, it is not moving down. So as now this machine will what, move, as I have told you, that compartment is there, that is filling, continuously filling of what, filling of your cavity is taking place. Okay, when and this, that means the lower punch is what, that is moving. Okay, the lower punch is what, moving, but the upper punch is what, that is fixed. Its positioning in fixed, but its movement is what, guided by the cam track. Okay, okay. So now just show here this one, this part. Okay, so when your lower punch moves over here, okay, moves over here, this is called as what, weight adjustment area. अभी मैं इसको घुमा रही हूँ नॉब को, देखो ये ऊपर जा रहा है, ये वाला नॉब को दिखाओ, ये नॉब को भी दिखाओ, ये मैं घुमा रही हूँ, ठीक है. अभी इधर दिखाओ, ये वाला इधर दिखाओ, ये अभी मैं नॉब को घुमा रही हूँ तो ये क्या जा रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, ठीक है. दिस इज मूविंग अप. नाउ so before for cavity we have already set it. इसको ऊपर नीचे करके हमने cavity already बना लिया है, whatever grams or whatever strength is required. Okay, so as soon as your lower punch will move over here, the cavity, the exact weight of what cavity would be over here. So based on that, जो भी आपकी cavity आपने fix करके रखा है, आपने weight fix करके रखा है यहाँ पे, as soon as your lower punch will move over here, the cavity will be filled with the proper weight of your powder and granules or powder, and the excess will be what, that will be scrap out. Okay, so now that's why it is called as what, your weight adjustment area. Okay, so now here again the lower punch will what, move, and the upper punch is what, guided by the track. Okay, so now this upper punch is what, moving down, and lower punch is what, now it is trying to move over the lower compression roller at the pre-compression area, and your upper punch will what, that will be beneath the upper compression roller. Okay, so उसके नीचे आपका आ जाएगा upper punch, and lower punch would be over the lower compression roller. Okay, so here a slight pre-compression will takes place. Next is what, the lower punch again, see the up and down. अभी ये ऊपर आया, फिर now your lower punch will again, it will move down, and your upper punch will also move down with the help of what,
Cam track.
ये cam track दिखाते रहो जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है. So here upper punch will move down. It will now here a plain surface area we can see, and for upper punch this cam track is what guiding, and its positioning is what now
Fixed.
it is fixed and it is lower down. अब यहाँ पे नीचे जा रहा है, ये नीचे जा रहा है. So now again lower punch will what, it will move over the lower compression roller, and upper punch will move beneath the upper compression roller. Okay, so here the main compression will takes place. Next move. Okay, so now here once the compression has taken place, now the upper punch will be moved with the upper riding cam. This is called as what, upper riding cam. Okay, and show here the lower punch will move towards the lower riding cam. So both are what, they are moving in upward direction. So when the upper punch is moving upward direction, that is leaving the cavity, and when the lower punch is moving upward towards the lower riding cam, that it will try to push the tablet. Okay, so once here when this area, when when the tablet will reach, you can see the upper punch is what, completely upward. Okay, अभी उसका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, but the lower punch is what, now that is moving up, and then it is here, it is finally it comes adjacent to the what, this table surface, and that pushes the what, tablet out. Okay, so and again once the tablet is out, अभी आपका lower punch again it will go at this area, and there we are having pull down cam. That pull down cam will what, lower punch will move down, and then it will create a cavity. Okay, that's it.